Farm animals. Goat.
Goat. Goat.
The goat is eating grass in the field.
The goat is eating grass in the field.
Pig.
Pig. Pig.
We visited a pig farm.
We visited a pig farm.
Donkey.
Donkey. Donkey.
The donkeys are grazing in the meadow.
The donkeys are grazing in the meadow.
Duck.
Duck. Duck.
Can you hear the quacking sound of the duck?
Can you hear the quacking sound of the duck?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
The rabbit is enjoying a delicious meal.
The rabbit is enjoying a delicious meal.
Review. Goat.
Goat.
Pig.
Pig.
Donkey.
Donkey.
Duck.
Duck.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Goodbye.